Boy parian kan tuan liawa kan tuan nak kan chatial te te he voice recording in filming lati kadu cha atu chana 2024 nikum hasa a Mizoram kan tlo ne February ni lenga a Mizoram Chief Minister kan tuan liawa si asina si cha katial mi te kavan film talai Pu Lalduhoma, Chief Minister of Mizoram State, Government of Mizoram, India. Dear Chief Minister Pu Lalduhoma, congratulations on your victory in the Mizoram state election in November 2023. I also appreciate your political policies regarding justice, peace, and dignity in national politics. It is suitable for more than just the people of Mizoram, but also your fellow Chins in Chin State, in Burma, currently Myanmar. I also pray for you during the election of Mizoram State and will continue to pray to God for you and your Ministry of the Land as Chief Minister in the future. I also heartedly thank you for your caring and loving heart for Chin refugees in Mizoram State. Yes, the Mizos and Chins are one nation. It is God's creation of us. Although the British government divided our people, Chins, Mizo, and Bom Chins, and our land into three countries, India, Burma, and Bangladesh, East India. In 1937, I sincerely request you to keep helping the Chin refugees until the federal state, the federal democracy is restored in Burma. I am a Christian pastor, but I love our people and land. I am greatly concerned about our people facing severe poverty during my whole lifetime. When I started entering into the mystery of God in my village of Taos in Thantlang Township in Chin State, after my graduation with a Master of Divinity from Myanmar Institute of Theology in 1988, I started rural development by making a jeep road on Hakha Thantlang Sachi Chuak road in my village, Tao, which is another size of Sangao within Chin State. I went to the USA to further my theological studies in September 1991. I finished a Master of Theology from Princeton Theological Seminary in New Jersey in 1992 and a Doctor of Missiology from United Theological Seminary in Dayton, Ohio in May 1997. I live in the United States of America until today because of the political situation in Burma. I work for the Chin Baptist Churches USA, CBC USA, as General Secretary for 13 years from the beginning of this organization. I am the chairman and director of the Peace and Justice Committee of CBC USA and the Burma Advocacy Group, BAG member. Although I live abroad, I continue my rural development project of making a jeep road in Tao in Chin State. I raise funds from my fellow Chins, especially from the people of Tao village who live in the USA. We built the 15-mile road from Tao to Saichichuak from February 2010 to November 2011. The National League for Democracy government of Burma made it more comprehensive during its administration, and it became the most suitable road between Chin Strait and Mizoram Strait as the trading route with a population of 150,000 in Hakka and Tantang and Madupi Township. Second to the Aizawl Champhai Road. The Mizos and Chin become more developed and convenient in transportation through this trading route. The Hakka Saichichuak Road, especially after the military coup of Burma. However, the Saichichuak Sangao Road inside Mizoram State is small and poorly usable, and travelers or sick people who need to attend the hospital in Aizawl face tough times on this road. My sincere recommendations are: 1. To build the Saichichuak Sangao Road trading road to develop the people of Mizoram and Chin Strait. 2. To build the trading center with the hospital, schools, and college at the Saichichuak border, looking forward becoming the Federal Democratic Chin State in Myanmar, Burma. 3. To continue assisting all the Chin refugees in Mizoram in every possible way. Please accept the life keep of a watch from my Peace and Justice Committee of Chin Baptist Churches, USA. I will always keep praying for you and Mizoram State. Sincerely, Reverend Dr. Sidhu Kang, Chairman and Director of Peace and Justice Committee, CBC USA. Senior Pastor, Chin Baptist Mission Church, DC. Thank you so much.